Hi, today I'll be making a detailed review of the Scapia Federal Bank credit card, a co-branded credit card launched by Federal Bank in partnership with the travel-focused fintech Scapia. We'll go over the full breakdown, starting with an extended overview, then diving into the features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally a balanced conclusion on why this might be the best business credit card in India this year. Let's get started. Scapia Credit Card, to start with, is a co-branded credit card introduced through a partnership between Federal Bank, one of India's leading private banks, and Scapia, a travel tech fintech startup that focuses on making travel experiences seamless and affordable. This card is entirely digital first. From the application to card control and reward redemptions, everything is managed through the Scapia app, which is designed with a sleek, user-friendly interface. And the best part? It's a lifetime free card. That means no joining fee, no annual fee, and even zero forex markup, which is almost unheard of for cards that offer this level of travel perks. Scapia positions this card as the perfect companion for frequent travelers and millennials who love to manage their finances on the go. It not only rewards you for everyday spending, but it also turns your travel bookings into high-value reward opportunities. In 2025, with travel rapidly bouncing back and more people embracing digital financial tools, the Scapia credit card stands as a strong contender in the lifestyle and travel segment. Now let's break down the key features of this card. The reward system based on Scapia coins. Every time you spend on the card, you earn Scapia coins. And for most categories, you get 10% back in Scapia coins. Since 5 coins are equivalent to 1 rupee, that's a solid 2% effective cashback. Unlimited domestic lounge access. By spending 10,000 rupees per month on the Visa variant or 15,000 rupees per month on the RuPay variant, you unlock unlimited domestic airport lounge access. This is a game changer because most free or low-cost cards offer only 1 to 2 lounge visits per quarter. For frequent travelers or people who travel for business, this feature alone makes the card worthwhile. Zero forex markup. Typically, Indian credit cards charge a 2 to 3.5% markup on foreign transactions. But with the Scapia credit card, you pay zero forex markup, which means you save on every international purchase, whether you're shopping on foreign websites or you're traveling abroad. This feature alone can save thousands of rupees a year for international shoppers or globetrotters. Travel bookings via Scapia app. All travel-related activities like booking flights, hotels, trains, buses, and even visas can be done via the Scapia app. Not only do you earn a higher reward rate here, but you also get access to exclusive discounts and cashback offers. You can also redeem your Scapia coins for these bookings directly in-app, which makes it super convenient. Smart card management. The Scapia app is designed for total card control. With it, you can activate or block your card instantly, you can set or change your card limits, you can view real-time transaction details, and you can pay bills using different platforms. There's also a fuel surcharge waiver of up to 500 rupees per month. Now let us talk about the pricing of this card. Here's the cost breakdown. The annual fee is 0 rupees, which is a lifetime free card. The forex markup fee is also 0%. There's a fuel surcharge waiver from when you purchase fuel of 500 rupees per month. The interest charges are also standard. Now, what are the pros and cons of using this card? Lifetime free, no joining or annual fees. High rewards rate, you get 2% on general spending and 4% on travel. Unlimited lounge access with achievable monthly spend targets. How about the cons? Rewards redemption limited to travel. No gift vouchers, no statement credits. Lounge access only in India. No international lounge access benefits. To wrap it up, the Scapia Federal Bank credit card is arguably one of the best entry-level credit cards in 2025. And here's why. It removes nearly all the traditional barriers to entry. There's no fee to apply, no maintenance costs, even no forex charges, which puts it ahead of many mid-tier and premium cards in India. If you're someone who loves to travel, to shop online, or even just enjoy the luxury of lounges and digital control without paying a single rupee in fees, then this card hits the sweet spot. Of course, if you want more flexibility in redeeming your rewards, like converting them to statement credits or vouchers, the Scapia card may feel a bit limiting. but its target audience are digital first, travel loving millennials, and Gen Z. It's nearly perfect. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HDFC Millennial Credit Card, Access My Zone Credit Card, and IDFC First Classic Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.